Welcome to IDBI Bank. In terms of RBI guidelines, IDBI Bank has extended moratorium relief to all eligible home loan, loan against property, education loan, personal loan, and auto loan customers in anticipation of cash crunch which they might be facing at present. Since postponement of repayments always result in higher EMIs and longer duration of loan, you may like to continue to pay your EMI as per the existing payment schedule. If so, you can simply send yes message to the phone number mentioned in the SMS sent to you by IDBI Bank on April 23, 2020. Alternatively, you can also opt out of this relief and continue payment of EMI as per your regular payment schedule by visiting www.idbibank.in. On the website, click on the COVID-19 relief measure image, which will take you to COVID-19 information page. On the page, select section F for opening the moratorium opt-out application. Kindly provide your name, customer ID, registered mobile number and email ID and fill the CAPTCHA code that will be displayed on your screen. Click on Submit. On next page, click on Generate OTP. On next page, kindly input the OTP received on your registered mobile number and click on Verify OTP. On verifying the OTP, the next page will display all your active loans with IDBI Bank. You have the option to select one or multiple or all loan accounts for which you wish to continue payment of your EMI as per the existing payment schedule and do not wish to avail the EMI moratorium. After selecting the accounts, click on Submit. A confirmation message for opt-out of moratorium will be displayed, which need to be confirmed by clicking OK button for final submission. On submitting the request, the confirmation message will be displayed. Your application is submitted for processing. You can close the page. The selected loan accounts will be considered for opting out of moratorium facility and EMI will be debited for such loans as per the schedule. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.